Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be sharing with you on how to make this creamy yogurt at home using your powdered milk. This was very easy to make, so if you're interested in learning how to make a very creamy yogurt at home, make sure you watch this video to the end. Meanwhile, my name is Grace and I share interesting recipes like this. Just take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. So let's just get into the recipe proper. I'll be using powdered milk like I said earlier in the video, and I'm using a standard measurement cup for these measurements. So all you need is 3 cups of milk, and the cup you are using for measurement is just what you are going to use throughout the video. So this is 3 cups of lukewarm water we are using to dissolve this milk. So I'm just going to stir this thoroughly. We will set these apart, and in the pot I'll be adding 3 cups of water. This is the same cup we use in measuring the milk. So 3 cups of water, you bring this to a boil. Once the water is boiling, pour in the dissolved milk into this water and immediately start stirring it. This will prevent it from having lots of lumps. So once you see these bubbles coming on top, it is ready. So all you need is to take this and transfer into your strainer. This is just to make sure that it is lump free. There is nothing going into this. Allow this to cool. The temperature of the milk have to be very tolerable to your hand, just lukewarm. So once that temperature is achieved, you will need a yogurt that has an active culture, and all you need is 3 tablespoons of this yogurt into the mixture. Go ahead and stir this thoroughly till it is well combined. Cover the yogurt, and you need the yogurt to be in a warm place. This is my own warm place. I use a pot that is well sealed. You can use your oven or whatever place that is warm in your home. So this pot works perfectly, and we'll leave this for 12 hours. So I always like doing this in the night so that when you come back in the morning, you can just take on the yogurt. So 12 hours later, this is the yogurt. This is what it looks like. Look at how thick this is. At this point, you can decide to flavor your yogurt with any flavor of your choice. I always prefer vanilla flavor for this, and not only that, I mix this together. So for that perfect creamy texture, all you have to do is to pour it into a bigger mixing bowl. Add in your vanilla flavor. This is 1 tablespoon of vanilla flavor and half cup of sugar. You can decide to skip that. So with your hand mixer, just mix this together. This is what it should look like when you are done mixing. You can see the difference. This is what it should look like. So just use your spatula and just make sure that everything is well mixed. A full cream milk always turns out very well in yogurt. So next time you are making a yogurt, ensure that you are using a full cream milk. Yes. So to stop this, you will need to sterilize your jars, and let me show you how I sterilize my jars before pouring the yogurt. I put the jars into a pot of boiling water and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. That way it is well sterilized. So all I do is just take this out, allow this to cool, and pour in the yogurt. And this works perfectly for anything you are storing. If you are using jars, just need to sterilize your jars so that they don't grow moths. With this now, you are sure that your yogurt is going to last for 3 to 4 days in your refrigerator and as long as 2 weeks in your freezer. So next time, make sure you sterilize your jars like this. So guys, I'll just store this into the container and proceed to put inside my refrigerator. So if you're interested in learning how to make Greek yogurt, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this recipe to this point, and for my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below and share my recipes. I'll see you next time. Bye.